Tired of long lines and complicated processes and sending money to your loved ones in the Philippines? Today, we're unlocking a super convenient way to send money directly from the Western Union app to Gcash, making life easier for you and your recipient. First, make sure you've downloaded the Western Union app and created an account, verifying your identity if needed. Tap on Send Money on the app's main screen. This is where the magic begins. Choose the Philippines as your destination country and enter the amount you want to send. The app will calculate the fees and exchange rate. Now, for the important part. Select Gcash as your payout method. You'll see other options, but we're focusing on Gcash for this tutorial. Next, enter your recipient's details, including their full name and, most importantly, their accurate Gcash account number. Double-check this info to avoid any delays or issues. Review the transaction summary carefully. Make sure everything is correct, from the amount to the recipient's Gcash number. Choose your preferred payment method. Western Union offers various options like debit card, credit card, or even direct bank transfer. Select the one that works best for you. Once you've completed the payment, you'll receive a confirmation message with a tracking number. Share this tracking number with your recipient. Your recipient will receive the money directly in their Gcash wallet, ready to be used for bills, shopping, or sending to other Gcash users. It's that simple.